So big. Can you put your arms up? Can you say, so big? You're just watching my arms, huh? Here, you feed yourself a little bit more? Good job. It's a messy life, man. Let me get you more on the spoon. See if we got any more. A little bit. There we go. So big! Are you so big? Oops, I just splatted cereal everywhere in the process. Yeah, so big. You pinching your hands too? You're saying, so big. Good job. All right. Can you say hi, Grandma? Can you say hi? Hi, hi, hi. Okay. Bye-bye. Oh. 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 I see you. Oh. Can you say, so big. So big. All right. Bye, guys.